Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the docking model and firmware because compatibility matters. Once done, plug in the dock's power brick so the hub initializes. Next, connect the dock to your laptop using the host cable, USB-C or Thunderbolt, because that establishes video and data lanes. Then attach each monitor to the available video outputs, DisplayPort, HDMI, or USB-C with Alt mode. Make sure to mount cables snugly. Loose connectors cause detection failures. Once physical connections exist, update drivers, dock firmware first, then GPU drivers, and display link software if your dock uses it. This ensures stable multi-monitor output. Then go into your operating system's display settings to detect monitors, set resolutions and orientation, and choose the primary display, because matching settings prevent scaling conflicts. Also check each monitor's on-screen input selection to confirm it's pulling from the dock. If needed, change scaling to a comfortable value so text and UI look crisp. To finish, verify both screens show the desktop and drag windows between them to confirm extended mode. If mirroring, change the mode in display settings. Make sure audio routes to the correct device if you use dock speakers. If something goes wrong, restart the laptop and power cycle the dock and monitors since many handshake issues clear on reboot. For persistent problems, swap cables or ports to isolate faulty hardware, and make sure BIOS and dock firmware enable USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.